Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use UPBASE for Lean Six Sigma projects in 2025. First off, we'll need to set up our project in UPBASE. This is where we'll organize all our project data, tasks, and teams. The reason we do this is to ensure that all project elements are in one central location, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating our process maps. UPBASE has an excellent feature that allows us to visualize our processes. Now, let me explain why this matters. Process mapping is a fundamental part of Lean Six Sigma, enabling us to identify areas of waste and inefficiencies. Next up, we're going to start utilizing the data analytics feature in UPBASE. This helps us because it allows us to identify trends, measure performance, and ultimately make data-driven decisions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is analyzing your data and providing you with real-time insights to help improve your processes. Once we've analyzed our data, we can start making changes to our processes based on these insights. The reason we do this is to continuously improve our processes, which is the ultimate goal of Lean Six Sigma. Finally, it's important to document all these changes and improvements. UPBASE makes this easy by allowing us to track all changes and improvements made throughout the project. This is crucial as it ensures transparency and allows us to trace the impact of our changes. And that's it. You've now got a grasp on how to use UPBASE for your Lean Six Sigma projects in 2025. Remember, the key to Lean Six Sigma is continuous improvement, and UPBASE is a tool designed to facilitate just that. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.